Hey guys, it's me, Herban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and I'm going to show you guys what soil health looks like. So I'm here and I have this ever-bearing mulberry tree that I'm going to be planting right now. And I was digging a hole for it, and I've been working on this soil for, it's probably been about 3 years in this area prior to the construction that we did on this home. And now the construction's over, I'm planting some plants, and I went ahead and I was digging this hole for it. And I've planted trees on this property before I learned about soil health and no dig and all that stuff, and the soil web mycorrhiza. And now that I'm into it and I'm doing no till, no dig, letting my soil organisms grow and everything and soften up my soil, I have clay soil here in Los Angeles. And usually in the past, I've only been able to dig, a couple feet. I hit rock hard clay and that's it. So this was really exciting to me. I shouldn't be leaving the hole open as long as I am. But I just wanted to point out to you guys what soil health looks like and what microorganisms can really do for your soil. This hole now is approximately 2 feet deep, and I'm down to where it should be rock hard clay, and I can still just keep on going. This is just amazing. I keep on going. I do finally reach a clay layer, but it's so much lower now. It's got to be, I don't know, a good half foot to a foot deeper of just soft, beautiful, good, rich soil, microorganisms, beneficial bacteria, mycorrhiza fungi. And within the soil I've been pulling out, there's been these beautiful, beautiful big fat night crawlers. They're probably all buried now because they want to get out of the sun. But yeah, this soil is so beautifully healthy and fluffy and rich. It's just beautiful stuff now, and this is all because of the no-till, no-dig processes and stuff like this crabgrass. You can just pull right out and get rid of it, and just look at the fluffy, beautiful goodness of this. It's just beautiful. So that's why you guys got to get yourself on the no-dig plan. And look at that. That used to be clay. You can tell that used to be clay. And look at, oh my God, that's amazing. I'm sorry, I'm a soil geek, guys. I'm into it. So I just wanted to show you this and how amazing the no-till living organism, living soil can be, and what the soil web, once you get it going, can really do for your soil. So I'm going to get back to putting this ever-bearing mulberry into the ground. But I was just so excited I had to share it with all of you and know what I'm really trying to teach you guys how to do and how amazing it really is, and your garden just starts going on autopilot. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and Herban Garden.